I'm going to insert this sewing machine down into a sewing table that I made years and years ago. And so I want a pattern to be able to cut it out. And you know, if you take a pencil and you come around like this, you're actually going to wind up with it, you know, that like 1/8 of an inch too big because your point is in the center of that. So just want to show you a quick and easy way to do that. Just get you a piece of wood that's got a 90-degree angle. You just set it like that, and then you're going to put your point right against the edge of that wood and drag it along. Coming around the corner. And this is what I've always done, but I kind of looked online to see how other people do this, see if there was an easier way, and I couldn't really find anything. I couldn't even find this method, so that's why I thought I would do a video on it real quick. And then I'll just continue on around, and then I'll cut it out when I'm done. So as you can see, I've got a nice line there. I just need to cut it out, and now I have a pattern I can set on top of my table, trace it, and cut it out. All right, well, I hope that was helpful to you. Thank you for watching.